How to start affiliate marketing step by step. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Affiliates are paid a commission for each product sold, lead, or service provided. This commission is usually in the form of a percentage of sales, leads, or revenue generated. Affiliate marketers may also receive performance-based incentives such as bonuses for reaching sales targets and other goals. How does a new affiliate marketer begin? This is a question that many people ask. There are many ways to answer this question. The first step is to have the right mindset. You have to know that it is not an easy task and you will need dedication, patience, and hard work in order for it to be successful. The second step would be choosing an affiliate network. You will want one that you feel comfortable with and has the best offers for you. Next, you want to start generating traffic by using social media or other methods of marketing like email campaigns or SEO techniques. Then, you will want to build your audience by creating content related to your niche or offer on your website so they can come back again and again. There are a number of ways to find a great affiliate program. The first step is to find out what kind of products or services the company offers. It is important to ensure that the affiliate program has products that are relevant to your niche, as this will make it easier for you to promote them. The next step is to research the size of the affiliate program and how much commission you will get for each sale. If there are many affiliates, then competition may be higher and so you may not get as much commission for each sale. However, if there are few affiliates, then you may have more opportunities for sales and so can earn more money from commissions. There are many ways in which affiliate marketers can build their online presence. Some of the most popular are social media marketing, blogging, video marketing and email marketing. How much money can you make with affiliate marketing? There are many ways to make money with affiliate marketing. The amount you earn can vary depending on the type of offer you promote and how much effort you put in. The most popular way to make money with affiliate marketing is by promoting offers that pay per click or per lead. The amount you will earn from these offers depends on the offer's conversion rate. For example, if an offer has a 10% conversion rate, then you will earn $1 for every $10 worth of sales that were generated from your efforts. With affiliate marketing, you can start your own business without investing any money up front. You just have to find a product or service that you want to promote, and then find an affiliate program that will give you a commission for every sale you make. Find out which kind of products or services people are looking for, and then find the right product or service to promote. Create a website with your own domain name. Make sure that your website has original content on it so people will want to stay there and keep coming back. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. There are many networks out there, but the most popular ones include Amazon Associates and Rakuten Marketing. Once you sign up with one of these networks, you will be able to start generating traffic and earning commissions right away. Once you have a list of products to sell and are generating some sales, you can consider starting to market your own product. This will allow your customers to do business with you directly through your website and also leave a positive review. Lastly, it is important for the new affiliate marketer to stay consistent with their efforts because in order for this business model to be profitable, they need a steady flow of traffic and conversions. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It's a great way to earn passive income and build your own business. With affiliate marketing, you can start your own business without investing any money up front. You just have to find a product or service that you want to promote, and then find an affiliate program that will give you a commission for every sale you make. If you are ready to get started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description below. Hope you found value in this video. Please like this video and subscribe for more great content.